Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So children, we have learned in algebraic expression, we have learned how to add and subtract polynomials, and we have also learned how to multiply polynomials. So now we will see some special properties, special products and some identities. So when you have a binomial multiplied with the binomial, and if the condition is something like this, like you have x plus a and x plus b, so a and b could be some numbers, and you have x and x same, so the same number is being written over here, and these two are different numbers, then you can actually multiply it using the method what we have learned already, the distribution thing. So x with the x plus b over here plus a with the x plus b over here. So when you multiply this, you get x square plus x into b is bx plus a into x is ax plus a into b is ab. Now here you can see that bx and ax are both like terms, so we can actually add both of them. So a plus b could be written. See, if it was a number, we could have definitely added them. But since it's b and a, we can't add them. We'll have to just keep it as a plus b. So we get a square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So this could be written as a formula or an identity. So if you have x plus a and x plus b multiplied together, you can write it as x square plus a plus b added together and written with the x, and a into b is written as a constant at the end. So now if you have x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2, so here you can see that in place of x they have given x itself according to the formula. So we are going to compare this with the formula, okay. So now x and x are in the same position. Now in place of a you have 3 and in place of b you have 2. So now we are going to use this formula x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. So for x square we will keep it as x square itself because here also we have the x, and for a plus b we are going to write 3 plus 2. Okay, of x plus a into b is written as 3 into 2. So we get x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now we'll look at another example with a negative sign over here. So your a will be taken as negative 4, minus 4. Okay. So you will not write it as simply 4. You will write it with minus 4. So whatever number you take, you should always take it with the sign. Okay. And x is written as x itself. A is 4, minus 4, and b is 5. So now if you use the formula again, you are going to get x square plus a plus b. Instead of that, you are going to write minus 4 plus 5 of x. And then a into b is going to be minus 4 into 5. So this is going to be x square plus 5 minus 4 is 1x. And then plus 4 into 5 is 20. And there's a minus sign, so minus 20. So this could be rewritten as x square plus x. So we don't have to write 1 again. 1 is just, it's not needed. You can just leave it as just x. Okay. So x square plus x minus 20. Okay. So now we'll look at one more example where you don't have x. Instead you have 2x. Okay. But then the pattern is the same. The format is the same. Okay. It's similar to the identity which we have learned. So the 2x and 2x, instead of x we are having 2x and 2x. Okay. So again we have the same kind of number in this place and this place, and we have different numbers over here and here. So we will use the same formula. So instead of x in the formula, we are going to put 2x, and for the a we are going to substitute 1, and for b we are going to substitute minus 2. So if I write it over here, so you get 2x the whole square plus a plus b, I will write it as 1 plus minus 2 of, in place of x again I'll write it as 2x, and then I'll write it as plus 1 into minus 2. Okay. Alright, now we'll have to just solve this. 2 square is 4, x square is x square. See, this 2x the whole square, the square belongs to both 2 and x together. Okay. So you'll write 2 square, which is 4, x square is x square. Okay. Then plus 1 minus 2, plus minus is minus, so 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2x again, and then plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 again. Okay. So this is equals to 4x square plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and then 2x again, and this is plus minus minus 2. So here we will write 4x square plus minus again minus, so 1 into 2x is going to be 2x minus 2. So this is your final answer. Okay. So just slowly go over this once, try to write and practice. Okay. Alright, now we will look at the so they may give you a problem. Instead of giving you variables, they may give you numbers. Like they may ask you to find the product of 95 into 93. So if they ask you specifically to use the identity above, so like in this case they have said find the product of 95 into 93 using above identity. If this above identity thing is not given, you can just simply multiply it. But since they have given use the above identity, you have to solve it using identity only. Okay, only then you'll get marks. Alright, now 95 could be written as 100 minus 5, or you can either write it as 90 plus 5 also. Okay, so my main intention is to bring it in the format, this format. Okay, x plus a, x plus b. So if I take 100 minus 5, I will take the 93 also in terms of 100 itself. So that could be written as 100 minus 7. So 95 into 93 is going to be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 7. So in place of x I have 100, in place of a I have minus 5, and in place of b I have minus 7. So I will solve this, okay, using this formula. So for 100 x square, I'll put 100 square, and then I have minus 5 for the a and minus 7 for the b, and into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 7. So this is going to give you 100 square is going to give you 100 into 100, which is 10,000. Okay, and plus minus 5 in minus 7 is going to give you minus 12, right? We are going to add both the numbers because both are having a negative sign, right? So you have a minus 12 over here multiplied by 100 again, and then plus 5 into 7 is 35, minus into minus is plus 35, so you will keep it as plus 35 itself. So now you have got 10,000, 12 into 100 is 1,200, so you have a minus sign here, so write minus 1,200 plus 35. So now add 10,000 plus 35, that's going to give you 10,035 minus 1,200. So subtract it, then you will get 8,835. That's the answer. Okay. Alright. Now we will look at the identities. See, when I say identity, it's actually a rule. It's actually a formula. Okay. See, the definition for identity says an identity is an equality which is true for every value of the variable in it. So if I have any kind of a variable or any number being put over there, that particular identity should satisfy all the variables. Okay, whatever I'm putting, so that I can use the formula. So basically, it's just a formula. Okay. So now you have three important identities. These three formulas. I want you all to memorize this. You all should know this by heart. Okay, you have to do problems based on this, so you should know by heart. Now a plus b the whole square is equals to, it could be written as a plus b, right? See, a plus b the whole square is, you are multiplying the a plus b 2 times. Okay, it's not a square plus b square, it is a plus b times a plus b. Okay, so now you have to multiply. When you multiply this, you will actually get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So actually you can just memorize this. A plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. With a minus b the whole square, you get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so the difference in this is the plus and minus sign. Okay. Now if you have a plus b and a minus b being multiplied together. See, earlier in the first formula, a plus b was multiplied 2 times. In the second formula, a minus b was multiplied twice. Now in the third formula, we will see what if one was a plus b and the other was a minus b, then how do you multiply that? So that answer is going to be a square minus b square. So you can actually try this out. You already know, you have learned how to multiply a binomial with a binomial, right? So if you want, you can sit at home and just see if when you multiply these two using the method, if you are getting this kind of an answer or not. Okay. Alright, so now these three formulas you have to memorize. Alright, now we will do problems based on these identities. So now first one says find 3x plus y the whole square. So now this is obviously the case of a plus b the whole square case, right? So we take the a to be 3x, b to be y, and we can use the formula a plus b the whole square. So which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so for a we will substitute 3x the whole square plus 2. A is 3x again, b is y, then again plus, and then b square is y square. So 3x the whole square is 3 square is 9, x square will be written as x square. Okay, then you put the sign as it is, that is plus. 2 3s are 6. There is one x and one y, so you write both. Then plus y square. So this is your answer. Okay. Now they may ask you to solve problem like a numerical problem. Instead of variables, they may just involve numbers. Like in this case, I took this example from the textbook, from your textbook. It says compute 4.9 the whole square. So if you have 4.9 the whole square, this could be actually written as 5 minus 0.1 the whole square, right? So here I can use the formula. This is like a minus b the whole square formula, right? So a could be taken as 5, b could be taken as 0.1, and then you have a formula a minus b the whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So for the a I will put 5, so 5 square minus 2 into, for a I put 5 again, for b I put 0.1, sorry, and then plus b square is 0.1 the whole square again. Okay, so now this is going to be written as 25, 5 square is 25, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 into 0.1 is 1. Okay, and then plus 0.1 the whole square is going to be, you have to multiply 0.1 into 0.1, so that will give you 0.01. Okay, so 25 minus 21 is 24 plus 0.01, so you have to add 24 and 0.01, so that's going to give you 24.01. all right, that's the answer. So now we will look at a problem like this, where you have 5x plus 3y, 5x minus 3y. So it's clearly of the format a plus b, a minus b, right? See, there are two terms, 5x, 3y, 5x, 3y, both the same terms, but then the sign is different. One is having a positive sign, the other one is having a negative sign. So you can use the a plus b, a minus b formula. So the answer is going to be a square minus b square. So the a over here is 5x, b over here is 3y, right? So a square you can write it as 5x the whole square minus 3y the whole square. So 5 square is 25, x square minus 3 square is 9, y square. So this is how you do this. Okay. So now for homework, you have to solve 2.4, exercise 2.4, and there are 10 questions in this exercise. So do all of them in your classwork. It will be a good practice for you. Okay, so I'll give you time to complete all these work. So finish it off. So everything is based on what we have learnt so far, and yeah, so complete all of them. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can post it. All right, so inshallah, in the next session we will learn the next chapter. So this chapter, algebraic expression, is over. So hope you all have understood. Okay, so see you in the next session, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.